Damn, Ma, you got a license for that ass?
Hello ticklers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new room. That is why I haven't posted in about 2 weeks, is I was in the middle of moving. So anyway, let's go ahead and give you a quick tour. You know, nothing special. I got my mini fridge and just all sorts of stuff. Here's my computer. You can see I don't have a chair. That's why I haven't been putting out videos, is I can't really sit down and edit. I mean, I could still edit the videos, but 2 hours of hunching over just doesn't sound very fun to me. So, figured I'd put this video out real quick. Hope you guys enjoyed the clip at the beginning of the video, by the way. Since I don't have anything too interesting, I just wanted to throw something funny in there. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. I got just my TV and Xbox. You know, if any of you want to play Xbox One with me, I'm not a rich kid. I don't have the Series X, but if any of you want to play Xbox One with me, comment your gamer tag. You know, maybe we can play some games or something. Same with, you know, PC. I don't really play on there too much, but if any of you want to, go ahead and give me a holler. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for staying patient and not unsubbing, sticking with me. I have a video recorded, I just need to edit it, so that'll be out in a week or two. Anyway, that's it for the video. Like I said, new room, new setup. It's gonna take a little bit of time to adjust, get everything ready before I can start pumping out videos again. But anyway, till the next one, peace.